In this video, we are going to see how we can sign out of all devices on Netflix. So if you're using a Netflix account and you see that too many people are using your credentials to log in, or maybe for some other reason you want all of them to be signed out, and basically you want to sign out from all devices, here's what you need to do. First of all, just open the Netflix on the app that you want to keep or on the phone that you want to keep. You click on it to open that up. And from here, we will choose a profile. We'll enter our PIN. And once we do that, at the bottom, we have My Netflix. So we click on this section, My Netflix. Now on the top, you have this profile icon on the top left. Click on that. And from here, you will want to choose the account button. We click on that and we will scroll all the way down to the bottom. And from here, you will get the option of access and devices. So we click on that. And after that, it will ask you for the credentials again to make sure that it is you. You can email the code. And once you confirm that, you will enter the credentials or passcode here. And after that, you should be able to remove all the devices from here. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.